G'day, I'm Clive and welcome. Just leaving Nerang shelter and heading to Gringer Creek. 16 kilometres today, give or take a few hundred metres. It's 6:30 in the morning, look at this. It's just beautiful out here. A bit of a late one, I'm normally early. At 4, between 4 and 5 I leave, so a bit of a lay-in today. A bit cold last night. Most of the track today is after a controlled burn, so it's not going to be the greenest. But let's see what it looks like. An hour in and the jacket's off. Nice and warm now. I'm loving this. That beautiful blue sky behind. Okay. And then you get this eerie after the burn. Okay, let's carry on. About halfway now. Seen a few kangaroos, which is really always special to see them. The views are just beautiful. It's all nice and green, not like the first bit, so the burn off. A lot of ticks at the previous shelter, so remember to always carry some tick repellent. Little buggers there were. But yeah, it's been a fairly steady, easy walk so far. Gentle inclines and declines, nothing major. It's one of those sections where it's just nice. just easy to walk, easy to see the views. I said, get to see the kangaroos, see the birds. Yeah. Don't know if you can pick that up on the camera. Yeah, it's just beautiful listening to them. Right, let's carry on a little bit. Three-quarters of the way, so 4 kilometres to go. Track's been fairly level all the way, hasn't changed. Slight inclines, slight declines, some beautiful views, kangaroos. I've seen another kangaroo with a joey. Yeah, it's really, really nice. You can hear the Albany Highway over in that direction. So not too far from that. We'll carry on plodding along until we get there. Okay, not that far from the shelter now, so I'll call it a day on the video. The walk, like I said, has been nice and gradual, up and down, nothing serious, very, very slight. The views, there have been some beautiful views, even in the section where they'd had to burn off. It just looked really, really good. And I don't know if you can hear it. As the Albany Highway getting closer and closer. So if you've enjoyed the video, please go down below and click on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell next to it and select all, so you can be notified of all future videos. Hit the thumbs up button, the like, and if you are already a subscriber, again, I thank you very much.